again. It's a redskin.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best lithium batteries for RVs in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Mighty Max Battery 12V100AH Lithium Replacement Battery. Buyers looking for a simple, affordable option would be wise to consider Mighty Max's Battery 12V100AH Lithium Replacement Battery. It's a low-price marvel capable of rivaling the performance offered by much more costly options. This performance comes from its many impressive features. One of them is the product's lifespan of 2,500 cycles, which dwarfs what a camper could expect from a lead-acid type. You should expect to offer top-tier results for a long time with this expected durability. I have to mention the product's impressive BMS, or battery management system, as well. This system protects the battery from overtemperature, overcharges, and short circuits. You can rest easy knowing this product won't fail or cause a damage situation when it's running. I was also impressed by its overall design, which consists of only top materials. This design should have no issues dealing with any travel problems, such as bumps or rough terrain. It's even known to function well in both hot and cold climates. Number 9. Expert Power Lithium Batteries for RVs. Expert Power is another high-end brand of lithium batteries and similar power products for those who want something ideal for long-term usage with decent power output. This Expert Power lithium battery for RVs is among the most durable and reliable options available out there. As for its power output and performance numbers, this lithium battery for RVs has a capacity of up to 100 Ah, which should be plenty for most. Another great thing about this lithium battery is that it weighs just 22.6 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest options available out there. But the best thing about this lithium battery has to be its lifetime rating of up to 10 years, which is among the highest available out there. Number 8. Power Queen Lithium Batteries for RVs. You can also check out Power Queen and all of its power products if you are in the market for something highly affordable that can be used in your RV. Power Queen's lithium battery for RVs is one of the cheapest options out there, which makes it a viable pick for all those who are on a tight budget. For the given entry-level price tag, you get a standard and a fairly high capacity rating of up to 100 Ah with this lithium battery. Despite being one of the cheapest options out there, this lithium battery for RVs is also quite lightweight at just 24.3 pounds in weight. That being said, the lifetime rating of 5 years offered by this lithium battery does reflect its entry-level price tag. Number 7. Renogy Lithium Batteries for RVs. Renogy is one of the most premium and high-end brands of battery and power products available out there that you can consider if you are looking for a lithium battery for RVs. The Renogy lithium battery for RVs is among some of the most compact and small-sized options out there when you are talking about RV batteries. And despite its much smaller size, you still get a standard battery capacity of up to 100 Ah with it. As for its similarities, this lithium battery for RVs also offers a common weight rating of 26 pounds. However, one area where this Renogy lithium battery for RVs falls behind is its lifetime rating of up to 5 years. Number 6. WeEyes Lithium Batteries for RVs. WeEyes and its lithium batteries are also an amazing option for all those who want something highly practical without paying a premium for the same, which is also true for its RV batteries. This WeEyes lithium battery for RVs is one of the best value for money options out there, since you get quite a lot for the given price tag of this lithium battery. For starters, you get a battery capacity of up to 100 Ah with it, which is on par with others. And while its weight of 26.4 pounds might be slightly higher, it is worth it considering that you get up to 8,000 recharge cycles with this lithium battery. To ensure that you can get the most out of its recharge cycles, WeEyes even offers a 10-year-long lifetime rating with it, which is quite amazing. Number 5. Eco-worthy lithium batteries for RVs. As you can tell by its name, eco-worthy makes highly economically friendly options when you are considering lithium batteries and other similar products for your RV. Eco-worthy's lithium battery for RVs is hands down the most affordable and budget-friendly option present in this listicle, which makes it ideal for buyers on a budget. Considering the given price tag, you get a standard capacity of 100 Ah with this lithium battery, which makes it an amazing value for money option for most. Coming to the physical properties of this lithium battery, it weighs only 22.9 pounds, which is certainly pretty amazing for the given price. And while its build quality might be a bit lacking due to the entry-level price tag, you still get a lifetime rating of up to 10 years, which is always great to have. Number 4. Lossigi lithium batteries for RVs. Lossigi is another brand of lithium batteries that you can consider if you are looking for something that offers a high enough capacity which is viable for heavy-duty usage. The Lossigi lithium battery for RVs is yet another viable pick in this list if you want a high-capacity battery for your RV. To be exact, this lithium battery for RVs offers an amazing capacity of up to 200 Ah, which is certainly much higher than others. One benefit of going with this high-end lithium battery for RVs is that when compared with other batteries with similar capacities, this one is a bit lighter at 47.4 pounds. Unfortunately, unlike what you would expect from such a premium battery, this one has a limited lifetime rating of up to 5 years. Number 3. Redodo lithium batteries for RVs. Redodo is one of the higher-end brands of battery products and accessories out there, since it is known for offering high-performance lithium batteries that are perfect for using in RVs. This Redodo lithium battery for RVs is present in the 3rd position in this article because it is hands down the best performing option given here. In order to make this lithium battery ideal for heavy-duty usage, Redodo has offered an excellent capacity of up to 200 Ah, which is much higher than others. As you would expect from a battery with such a high capacity rating, its weight is given at 49.6 pounds. While it is a bit on the heavier side, it is definitely a highly reliable option thanks to its given lifetime rating of 10 years, which is quite common among such premium lithium batteries. Number 2. Battleborn Batteries lithium batteries for RVs. You can also consider Battleborn and its battery products if you are in the market for something that is not only compact in size, but also happens to be a great option for long-term usage. Battleborn's lithium battery for RVs is present in the 2nd position in this listicle, as this is among the best options for long-term usage. Moving over to the capacity rating of this lithium battery, it is rated for up to 100 Ah, which is on par with most others out there. However, in order to offer a solid build quality, this battery is a bit on the heavier side because of the given weight of 31 pounds. That being said, you do get an excellent build quality and a lifetime rating of up to 10 years with this lithium battery, which makes it one of the best options for long-term usage. Number 1. AmpereTime Lithium-Ion 200 Ah Deep Cycle Battery. AmpereTime's Lithium-Ion 200 Ah Deep Cycle Battery earned a place on our list with its incredible acid-free construction. This battery uses LiFePO4 cells to ensure that it's safe and mountable in any position. This feature also provides the battery with much more reliable performance. It wasn't shocking that people used this lithium battery for RV solar system and various other exciting applications. It offers a staggering amount of versatility, ranging from use in golf carts to the largest motorhomes. I was thrilled with this product's longevity as well. It has been shown to last over 4,000 cycles, which should provide an RV owner with about 10 years of usage. This lithium RV battery 200 device ensures users don't have to worry about replacing it for a long time. The product's lightweight design also makes it a great fit for those applications. It weighs about 48 pounds, which is much less than lead-acid batteries. Plus, it's easy to move around when installing in crowded spaces or serving as a lithium battery for van life. Moreover, the product's usage is completely safe with its built-in BMS. This component will ensure it won't suffer from overcharging, short circuits, and other issues. Therefore, users can utilize this model to its full potential without a single worry.